Hello friends, hope you all are fine. In today's video, I am sharing the list of synonyms with you. I am pretty sure that this list will help you. So without any further delay, let's get started with the synonyms list. Wait, if you don't want to miss the further updates, please hit this subscribe button below and don't forget to like this video. So here is the list of synonyms which is very much important for the writing task too. First word is rich. Instead of rich word, you can write wealthy, prosperous, affluent, well-off family word. For an example, grants are available for the rich family. You can, instead of rich word, you can write here affluent, prosperous, or well-off family. Let's move to the another word, poor. Instead of poor word, you can write over here disadvantaged or impoverished word. For an example, an educational program has been set up for the economically disadvantaged children. So instead of poor, you can write here disadvantaged person. In this way, you can score better. And move to the another word, many. If you want to write many, so instead of many word, you can replace your many word with the plethora, abundance, numerous, and countless word. So here I am giving one example for this. I have plethora of shirts, I'll denote some. So if you will write here, I have many of shirts, it will not help you to score much. So if you will write here many instead of, you will write here plethora instead of many, then you can score better. Another word is very high. If you want to write very high, you can write here exorbitant. Here I am giving example. There was an exorbitant rise in the prices of automobiles. Another word is impressive. If you want to write the impressive, you can replace this word to score well, that is astonishing, amazing, breathtaking. For an example, there was an astounding 20% increase in sales. Another word is difficult to overcome. If you want to write difficult to overcome, you can replace your word with the insurmountable, unbeatable, or invincible. Here is an example given. There is lack of money has proved an almost insurmountable obstacle. So instead of writing word that is difficult to overcome, you can write here word insurmountable. Another word is important. As you have seen that you write this word many times in your writing task too. So if you want to write important word, you can write your word that is imperative, indispensable, significant, essential, and moreover you can write another word which is very much basic word, that is pivotal. So here I am giving example. You can write role of education is pivotal in the children's development. So you can replace your word important with the pivotal. Another word is advantages. If you want to write the word advantages in your essay, you can replace this word with the benefits, positives, pros, and merits. For example, there are merits of doing exercise. Last word is disadvantages. You can write the word demerits, shortcoming, cons instead of writing the word disadvantages in your writing task. Or if you want to give the speaking, you can use all these words to score better. So here I am giving example, that is too much dependence on technology can also have demerits. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for further updates.